Well, hello everybody, and welcome back. It's Jenny, and we're back at we're at my house. Come on in, we're going to visit, and you want to know what's going on at the DG, and I'm about to tell you because there's a lot. Come on in. If you're new here, welcome. We're visiting. We're going to talk about the deals at the Dollar General and how to save you money. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Do it now, that way you don't forget and you won't miss out on our daily deals. And of course, everybody, please and thank you. Allow the video to play all the way to the end, please. It's so important. It's just as important as leaving a comment and a thumbs up or a thumbs down. All those things is what YouTube requires for us to be able to help you on a regular basis. So please and thank you. Do all those things. It's so important. Just like it's so important that we reach 1,000 views per video anymore. So share, please. Thank you. Love you bunches. And I know there's some of you out there, because I've had a comment, my friends aren't really interested. They've told me they're not interested. That may well be, not on a everyday basis, but everybody likes free stuff and everybody likes a deal. And when you're sharing it to your Facebook page, you can just simply send it with a request to please pass it on, because someone they know may need this information. New people that have new families that need to save money. Those are the kind of people. All right. Now, because we're those kind of people. We're not new, but we need to save money. So let's talk about all the ways to save at DG this week, because there's a lot. We got instant savings, or excuse me, not instant savings. We do have an instant savings, but not on these products. This is coupon 5 off this time. Last time it was instant savings. This time it is a digital 5 off when you spend 25 on per sale. Snuggle, Dial, All, Purex, and Soft Scrub. We have coupons for all of those things. So no matter what your needs are with this deal, you're going to save an additional $5. Now remember, this is a store coupon. So if you want to incorporate it into a 5 off 25 scenario, you will have to spend $30 to do so. Now, we also have our regular 5 off of 30 on the Gain products. Okay? But we also have a Gain and double dip deal. Several of them actually. And then, well, stay tuned, because we got a Tide almost free deal for you. And anymore, I hesitate to say the word glitch, because sometimes it's a glitch, other times it's just a super good deal. Alright, guys. Now, let's go up here, because this is the deal that I did yesterday. I did the I actually got 4 for $8 on the Cheez-Its. Okay, and I got 4 different varieties, and I came home and I dumped them all in a big 2-gallon baggie and shook them up, threw a little spicy seasoning on them, and for $5, I think it was, yep, because I got $3 off, for $5, I have a huge bag of snacks. So, if you're tired of chips, there you go. and of course, it's really easy to make a mixture like Chex Mix with the Cheez-Its, okay, instead of the Chex Mix. We also have Kellogg's cereal 4 for $8. And we do have some earns on that as well. Now, if the video looks a little funny, because I won't know if it does until after I get it done, it's because for some reason I could not get the ad to load on the app or on my phone, but it's loading on the computer. So I figured, well, why wait? Because we got deals that's not going to wait. We got BOGO, buy one, get one free on the Airwick. And we got a lot of Airwick on clearance. So this is a digital coupon, store coupon. And then, of course, Mr. Clean. What else do we have that's exceptional? This is one of my faves, guys. Sparkle paper towels. Save 3 when you spend 15. So, one of my faves. And then 2 for 8 on the brawny paper towels. Now, I got those same brawny paper towels on clearance at one of my stores for $2.50. So, hold up. I'm going to get you the UPC. Now, this is the UPC number for the 250 brawny paper towels. They are still on the shelf, okay? And they are the exact same packaging. More double dips, okay? Summer's coming. We have power outages during the summer. I mean, the summer's basically here. When I say it's coming, it officially starts in a few days. So, the heat's coming. It could be power outages. Means more camping, more boating, more doing things outdoors. You need batteries. And we've got an instant savings of 3 when you buy 3 of the 4-packs. And then you got a $4 off digital coupon. Yep. Next, we got an instant savings. We have an instant savings on Ajax, Fabioso, Suavitel, Murphy's Oil Soap, Palmolive, and Colgate. Now, we've got coupons for Colgate. We've got coupons for the Ajax. We should have coupons still for the Palmolive. And then we've got a coupon for the Suavitel. And like I said, we got tons of coupons for Colgate. And we have Colgate also on the clearance. If you just need a quick drink, you got your $1 Sprite cans and your $1 Coke cans. 2 for $2. You got your Body Armor, 3 for $3. And you've got your Gatorade 6-packs for 2 for $8. Now we've got our 3 off of 9 on an Nabisco. Freestanding coupon is there every time. I truly appreciate it though, because I use it a lot. And then we've got sales on your Keebler cookies. You got Famous Amos, 2 for $6.50. That's a savings of 50 cents, but you have dollar earns on those. We also have 2 for 4 Pringles. You have a $2 coupon floating around still for those. And of course your Reese's, your spend 9 and save 2 store coupons. Alright, you got a $1.50 coupon on your all, and you know that all goes with the per sale, so you can stack them. You got $7.95. Hold up on something over here. Oh, $9.95 with a $2 coupon off on all of those. And I think that is where our little Tide El Cheapo almost freebie comes from, which we'll dive into in just a minute. Looks like you got a store coupon 2 for $24 on the $15 gain. Fireworks and the Downies. They may well be a manufacturer coupon for those as well that was from before. And then we've got a $3 digital off on the $19 Tide. And I know there's a double dip on that one. So, if you do those great big bottles, we might get you something good. Looks like we still have the $2 off on the Febreze. We have got a $5 off on that Swiffer mop that I showed you that was on clearance. Oh, I just remembered what store it was. I gotta go back. Sorry, guys. Squirrel. So, this mop that I showed you in the video that it's on clearance is going to be $10 with a $5 off. So, the Swiffer Sweep Mop is going to be $5. Yeah, winner, chicken dinner. More instant savings on Mr. Clean mops and brooms, guys. And I think that's the True Living brooms that are on the clearance. And of course, we still have our instant savings on our Scott products, but they're on sale. The Scott $5 toilet paper is on sale for $4.75, so keep that in mind. It's going to give you the opportunity to get an extra Scott product, the $3.25. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up a $5 paper towel. If you need paper towels more than TP, then you're going to pick up 2 of those. If the other way around, pick up 2 of the Scott toilet paper. But you're still going to be a little short. So pick up another Scott product, like the 2-pack of paper towels. And that's going to give you your $15 off, and you'll save that extra $3. And you have a $1 off coupon for toilet paper and a $1 off for paper towels. So, awesome deal. Looks like we got the Glad trash bags with a $1 off. And there's usually a buy 2 get for a certain price deal on those. We'll check on those later on. And we got some BOGO sales. BOGO with 50% off, $6 totes. There is some totes on the clearance. Okay, we got... There we go. That's what I'm hunting. Summer items. Buy one, get one 50% off, guys. Now, the pools are still full price. Because, you know, it's not officially summer yet. In a few days, it will be officially summer. And then you're going to need all this summer stuff. Hopefully you did not miss out on your 50% off camping chairs. Now, we've got the store coupons for Schwab. Looks like we have a possible store coupon for Dove. A buy one, get one free deal for the Bic Soleil, I believe. That's a sale, and I believe we have a coupon that is similar to that. We'll find out. We've got 4 off of 2 for the Irish Spring and Soft Soap. Instant savings again on Believe Beauty. Ooh, when you spend 8, they're as skincare, Believe Beauty. And Root to End, when you spend $8, you save $2. We've got $3 off when you buy 2 of the Colgate. It goes with that instant savings, guys. And a $2 off on 1 Huggy means your bag of Huggies is going to cost you $6. That's a pretty good deal. And pets, guys, we just talked about this one in the store. The $2 off on the new Tidy Cats Blissful Meadow. We also have a coupon for the $8 Tidy Cat. We got some Fresh Step. We have a coupon for the new Trust dog food. And there you have it, guys. That is the end of our ads with all the great sales that we've got going on. That's just a heads up to show you what we're working with this week. So stay tuned. There's deals and scenarios coming your way. I love you bunches, and I'll see you next video.